Welcome back to my Canva tutorials. And in this video, as I said, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest video pen, which is very exciting. It's a new thing that you can do on Pinterest, and it's a new thing you can do in Canva, which is awesome. So this is one that I created before for one of my blog posts. And you can see I can play it. And so you get an idea of, that's the pen. It's really cool. So, and I created a solo travel one and a NYC itinerary. Actually, what I did with this, because I'm just not as familiar with creating video pins, is I started with a video pin template, and then I kind of just built it from there. So you can see there's my solo travel pen, and if we go down, you'll probably see more, but let's go ahead and start with, say, this one. So if you click on it, it adds it to your empty page over here. And honestly, just like any other pen, you can change the text. So if we wanted to change this to, say, USA road trips. If you had a post that was like that, you could do that. You can change the colors. You can do, really everything about it is pretty similar. But what you can do is, if you didn't like that video, you can go over here to videos, just like you would search photos and put in road trip. And if you just hover over the video, it'll actually scroll through and show you what it's all about. So that one maybe doesn't fit what we're looking for. But this one looks cool. I kind of like this one. So we're going to use this one instead. And it plays, and it's so pretty. It's so cool. I'm really a big fan of these Pinterest pens, or these video pens. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can also create a video by just having multiple pages. So you can see up here, obviously I create a lot of pages. There's 64 here. So that's, 6 minutes long. But if you had, say, 3 pens and you just wanted to make those 3 pens your video, you could actually come up here, click on play, and it would show you what that video would look like using the pens that you've already created. So each pen gets about 5 seconds, or each page. In this case, I'm working with Pinterest pens, so I keep saying pen, but each page gets about 5 seconds. So if you wanted to, just create a few different pages and make that your video, this is one way that you can do it. Or the other way that you can do it is, like I just showed you, by using the stock videos, or you can actually upload your own videos. So that is one way that you can do it. You can either make videos using multiple pages, or videos using actual video clips, either with the Canva video library, or you can also upload your own videos to use in your pens. Now, to download, again, you can publish straight to Pinterest, just like you could, Facebook or another social media, or you can download, and it automatically goes to video download. And if you just wanted that one page, you would make sure that you would scroll down. This is page 64, so you would have to scroll all the way down and make sure you download just that one. And then you upload it to Pinterest just like you would any other image pen, or through your Tailwind app. So yeah, that's it. That is video pins. They're really cool. It's a new thing that I'm kind of getting into and learning more about, and also just checking the analytics of how well it's doing on Pinterest. But there you go. That's how you create a video design in Canva, and be on the lookout for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next week.